off with the game. My honors in my name. Got crosses on my body, I stamped it on my chain. I'm linked in with the greatest, I'll put you up on game. Pull up from D like Dame, I pop off, let it bang. I pop off, let it. Tell her fly, I'm on the way. I'm sorry for the wait. Don't try to take me outie. I'll take it to my grave. I'm praising through the pain. I'm speeding through the lane. I'm locked in like a Audi, and y'all can't have the fame. You got it, man. I stay in the background like Jermaine. Gotta move in decimals, it's too much on my schedule. And I gotta move carefully, they got me feeling paranoid.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. We got the Pit Vipers back on again today. I left the other Oakleys at the house. It's gonna be a super hot day, so we're out at the shop bright and early this morning, so I hope you guys are having a great day, great week. Anyways, guys, I am gonna need your help in today's video. We need to pick out which turbo RZR is the best one in here. Which one would you choose if you were put in front of these and had to choose just one of these to bring home? Put down in the comments which one and why. Motivate the boys here. They are getting ready for another trip. Gonna load up all these buggies, all these RZRs side by sides, and take them on another trip. So excited to see some footage, so stick around if you guys are really into this stuff. And we cannot thank you for your overwhelming support on the channel. But we can go ahead and get started, guys. Let me come over to the shopping cart real quick. I wanna show you guys a couple things that my wife got for me. My wife is absolutely incredible. Got this nice sweatshirt right here, Child of God, you'll see on there. Super, super dope. It's way too hot right now to wear that booger, but look forward to bringing that one. And then check out the white shorts. You got to be careful with white, but man, these are super sick. They got the crosses on there. That setup looks super good together. I got this book here, Tim Tebow. You guys big college football fans? We're Hawkeyes fans, but Gators are fine too, whatever. But this is a daily motivational. A lot of good stuff in there. Start your day off right. So again, don't know what you guys are into. This is what I've been on lately, and I've never felt better. And as we go through the channel, I will continue to share my stories, life lessons. Maybe I can help somebody out in the audience with something they're struggling with. I don't know. I don't want to be the main focus of this channel. I want it to be Ovi, the guys, everybody but me. I'm just the guy with the camera, but I've been through a lot of things in my life and feel like a lot of people struggle with things. And while we see all this cool stuff, just know that cool possessions are not the end all be all. If all you do is chase money and things, you're gonna end up very lonely, depressed in the end. Maybe not, but at least when I was chasing the wrong things in my life, it just led me to a dark, unhappy place and not happy for anybody else. And it took me a long time to get over the fact that you're not always gonna be the biggest, fastest, strongest, richest, most fulfilled person in this world. But please, you know, cheer on other people, bring them up, love them. Don't try to bring them down and destroy them because that gets us nowhere in life. So that's a little spiel for now, but we're gonna flip around and go over these RZRs one at a time. Where do you guys wanna start? It's cool, it's like being in a candy store over here. I'm all over the place this morning. I am tired, but we're still going. Flip around. Number one, look at this beautiful, beautiful red. I don't even know what to call this red, but boy, it's like a candy paint. I believe this is Brady's, and look at the steering wheel on that bad boy. That is super, super epic. Feel like a Lambo wheel or something. And as you can see, nice screen there, nice mud, gotta have the mud. Very cool seat belts. Look at how heavy duty these are. Now, guys, I do not have a RZR. I'm not a RZR guy at all. So this is gonna be a terrible, terrible review. So feel free to take it at face value and leave some comments, educated comments below. Nice big wheels and tires on here. You can see the wheels there, bead locks, crazy suspension. Got the Fox suspension in there and just looks beautiful. Little bumper on the front, roll it forward if you want. And I imagine the cage probably custom made. Guys love their customized stuff here. There's a lot of money in these things, so I don't know. Look at that back. Looks like Ovi might have made this sucker, boy. Got the LED whips on there. And just a bad, bad unit all around. Love it. See up there, You guys have seen this one on the channel a lot. It's torn apart right now, getting a new motor, so I doubt that one's going. But that one is going to be going for sale. We've talked about once Ovi can get the motor rebuilt and put back in it, he's going to sell it. So if you guys are into a nice beefed up turbo RZR, this one's got a lot of power. I think he said it made 220 something. Ovi, you'll have to check me on that, bud. But it's got the Lambo doors, big turbo, runs like a beast when it's running. Let's see the trailer. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the white gooseneck trailer. I want to say you can get 3 on here maybe, but they'll probably end up taking the black car hauler, which can hold 5, I believe. A lot more on there, so we'll see if they get all of them on there or what trailer they're going to take, but this white trailer is my favorite one. Oh, I just love this trailer. We've done a couple videos on it, and we got a couple more to come once we can get back to work on it. But you'll see the matching teal, see the theme. So yeah, there's a couple. Brady's red RZR, Ovi's white and teal one. And we'll move over. Get out of the way, John Deere. See if I can squeeze past this welder here. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just out here lurking. Now we got this beautiful, beautiful blue and lime green one. Look at the suspension on this unit, and look at that stainless exhaust on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Fox shocks. Again, I'm a truck guy, not a RZR guy, so I cannot explain these well enough, but these tires look nice and big and beefy. Nice wheels on there too to match the paint color. You can see inside here. Nice racing seat belts, the blue. This color theme is absolutely wicked. Love it. It looks like he's got the same steering wheel as Brady's got. Look at that. I don't know, guys. This is just insane out here. Nice roll cage again, probably custom made. Let's go back here again. You can see it from the back. Oh yeah, she is beautiful. Love it. Look at how high it sits even compared. The white one we reviewed, this is Ovi's new one, RZR Pro. You can see from the stock height, this one sits much, much higher. But we'll go over this again here if I can get my way through here. But already a super, super sick setup. I believe you can store things in the back here. Why not? And guys, the height of these things, I'm about 6 foot tall, and this thing is every bit of 6 foot tall. Unbelievable. Let's try to get it from the front. Super sick LED lights, of course. Look, even a front facing camera. These things, winch, these things have come such a long ways. I see why they cost as much as a truck. They are just insane. Light bar on the top, roll cage mirrors, etc. There's Ovi's white RZR Pro, excuse me. Again, got the super sick new LED headlights. Stock cage, we got a stock alert here on the channel. We got to get that gone. You know, Ovi's already been ordering parts for this sucker, and he makes all his own cages, so he'll get a new one on there. But probably for this trip, just run it as it is. I think he's driven this thing twice maybe for a maximum of 5 minutes. And look at that, no buttons on the steering wheel. What's going on? Gotta upgrade that, son. But look at her. Bone stock, real sick, gonna be even sicker. Now, if we come over here, we got another red one. Look at this bad boy here. Nice unit, plenty of storage in the back here. I don't know what the bags are on the back, but they got bags on there. Nice white suspension under there. And let's see what they got inside. Look at them speakers, boy. Oh, I bet this thing absolutely dumps. What are these? Oh, CV axles, probably gonna need it. These things go through heck and back, but anyways, plenty of tread on the tires left to go on this bad boy. You see, RZR XP right there. Beautiful LED light bar on the top, and just, guys, look at all this. What a lineup in here. How freaking cool is this? You can see, got the white and black wheels on there, and just beautiful. A lot of fun, guys. Just can't beat them. Sound system in the back, it looks like. Plenty of speakers running along the back there. But this thing knocks. What's on there? I don't know what's going on. I ain't gonna touch nothing because it ain't mine. Then we'll come back here. Here's your last option. The 4-seater. This is the family wagon. See, this is what I need. Take the wife, take the boy, and we can get out there. Maybe even take the dog, who knows? But this is one heck of a unit. Long as can be. Looks like a long bed Chevy. But anyways, nice lights in the front, you can see. Nice little LED light bar there. And I don't even know. Look at these doors. You know these are custom made. You can see that's not stock at all. Where's the roof at? Don't need one. Is that a sub up there too? Look at them speakers. They look like marine speakers. Crazy. It's even got a bench style seat in the front. What is going on? Tons of room. Look at that. I always love how they have these T-bars in the front so you can hold on when they're whipping this sucker. And then look, even got like car seat deal. So man, you want to get the kids in there and just have a ball. Super safe. This is insane. Look at this bad boy. Look at the length. Are you kidding me? That bad boy is mean. Got the red on the back. Got the Overtime Diesel Fab bag. I don't know. You guys are going to have to tell me what the bags are for, but look at Overtime Diesel. Good time for an ad spotlight. Get down to Overtime for all your diesel repair needs, fleet vehicle maintenance. Love having you guys down to the shop. But yeah, look at the mud flaps on the fenders even. Look at it. Guys, the lineup. Which one are you going with? And you're going to ask me which one I'm going with. Clearly, my first choice would be the 4-seater, just because I'm a family man. I want to take my whole family everywhere. We never travel separately for anything. We love and support each other and do whatever. But man, I think I'm going with the 4. If not, come on guys, the blue and green, just epic. This thing is wild as can be. I love the taste. I love the design. Yeah, that's my number 2 right there for sure. Look at the antenna. I didn't even see that up there. But it looks like everybody's ready to go. I wish I had something to stand on. This is my old couch. I wonder if I have rights to stand on it. Whoa. Oh, I know where to go. I know where to go. Let me go over there real quick, guys. Yes, I got my work boots on because I'm getting ready to go to work from here. But you got to make time for this YouTube stuff. It's not just going to happen. That's what I've learned. So we are coming up from the mezzanine. And now, check it out. What a view on view. Look at all the razors, guys. So, tell me, or are you a sled guy? Anyways, red one, teal and white, green and blue, all white, red and white, 4-door white. Pick one, guys. What you rolling with? All right, guys, so I will go ahead and leave you with that for now. A lot to take time to reflect on and choose. I'm super excited to see what these guys are going to bring back. So we got to make sure to remind Ovi and Brady, bring the cameras, use the cameras. I love when Brady grabs the mic and starts going. Dude's super epic on the videos as well. That way it's not just boring old me trying to narrate stuff I have no clue about, but I just love it. This whole environment, the people are awesome. You guys love and supporting each other is awesome. And it's just blessings on blessings here. So I'll leave you guys with this. You guys have an incredible weekend and make sure you stick around. Go watch some of our other videos if you are new to the channel, but we will effectively see you guys in the next one. Peace. For real though, the shopping cart just cracks me up. We need to bring stuff in the cart all the time. Ovi, don't get rid of this thing, man. This thing's super fun. That way when we get new stuff, we can show it off and try to do right with the cart.